Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is the 27th part of the AutoCAD Mechanical 2021 3D modeling drawing tutorial. I'll provide the link for the AutoCAD Mechanical Engineering drawing playlist in the description section, as well as the 2D drawing which you can download for reference. Now to draw this AutoCAD 3D drawing, we are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 version. I'll provide a link in the I button on how to download AutoCAD student version, so you guys can check that out. Now I'll create two viewports. So type VPOR and press enter. Select two vertical and then press OK. You can stretch it like this. Click on this viewport and zoom the 2D drawing. So we will start by drawing a few rectangles. This section, and this one. So click on this viewport. I am into 3D modeling workspace. I'll set the 0 layer as the current layer. Now set the UCS to left as we'll create the left section. Set the view to left as well. Now type REC and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Then type D and press enter for dimensioning the rectangle. Set the length as 4. Press enter. Width as 20. Press enter again. Then left click to place the rectangle. Now this gap is 12. So type CO and press enter. Select the rectangle. Press enter again. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Move the cursor towards right. Type 16 and press enter twice to copy the rectangle. Now this gap is 1. This is 20 and this is 4. So we'll repeat rectangle command. Take an extension of 0.5 upwards from the midpoint snap as shown. Type D and press enter. Specify the length as 20. Press enter. Specify the width as 4. Press enter again. And then left click in this side to place the rectangle. Now the gap is 1. So select the rectangle. Type CO and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Move the cursor downwards. Type 5 and press enter to copy the rectangle. Now orbit the drawing by pressing and holding the scroll button of the mouse and moving it while pressing shift key in the keyboard. Now this distance is 25. So select these two rectangles. Type M and press enter and move it towards Z axis by 25 units as shown. Now I'll draw a few lines. So type L and press enter and draw the lines as shown. This looks a bit confusing, so I'll select these 4 lines, type PR and press enter, and then I'll change the color of this. Press escape, then select these 4, change the color to red maybe. Now this is cool. Change the visual style to shaded with edges. Close this properties palette. Now I'll use loft command So type LOF and press enter. Select this rectangle, then this one, press enter, click on guides, then select the 4 red lines as the guides and then press enter. So that's it. Then repeat loft command, select the rectangles as shown, press enter, click on guides again and then select the 4 yellow lines as shown. To loft the rectangles with respect to the guides. Now you can orbit and have a look. Now this part is done. Now I'll press pull the faces by 20 units. So type PRES and press enter. Select this face and press pull it to this side by 20 units. Same with this one. Press pull these faces by 20 units as well as shown. And then right click to exit from press pull command. Now I'll draw 2 circles on this face, radius 10 and of radius 5. So type C and press enter. Dynamic UCS should be turned on. F6 is the shortcut. 3D snap should be on as well. Comment the shortcut if you guys know. Then click at this 3D center. Click at this midpoint. Repeat circle command by right clicking. Click at the center again. Type 5 and press enter. Now select both the circles. Type CO and press enter. And copy the circles backwards by 16 units as shown. Then give press pull command. Click inside this boundary. Press pull cut it backwards. Press pull cut all the parts as shown. Then erase the circles. Now draw 2 circles on this face as shown. Copy it downwards by 5 units. Then give press pull command and press pull cut all the parts as shown. So this is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this AutoCAD 3D tutorial. So do like and share so that I could bring more AutoCAD videos like this. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.